Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the specific Google account you'll modify. Make sure it's the one synced to your devices. Once signed in, open the Google account settings and go directly to Data and Privacy, then to Web and App Activity. This area controls saved searches and activity. Make sure Chrome and any mobile devices are online so the current sync state is accurate, otherwise you might miss recent items. Now, keep this page open and ready. Your first actionable controls are next. Once on the Web and App Activity page, locate the main toggle and pause activity recording. This stops new data from being saved. Next, expand the options and uncheck or turn off the setting that includes Chrome history and activity from sites and apps. That prevents browser-level data from feeding in. Then review the auto-delete setting. Choose a retention window like 3 months or turn auto-delete off to keep nothing long-term. Make sure to confirm each change. These adjustments control both what's saved and how long it stays. After pausing and adjusting retention, delete existing activity. Choose Delete Activity by and pick the appropriate time range, then confirm. Once deletion and pause are set, sign out and restart the devices that use this account to force sync and apply settings across apps. Make sure other logged-in Google accounts don't have overlapping activity by checking Account Switcher. If you still see saved items, verify each account's web and app activity separately. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, clear app cache, sign back in, and reapply the settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.